The Supreme Court on May 15th rejected Kannada actor Darshan Thogudipa's bail plea in the Renukaswamy murder case and ordered the trial court to conduct day-to-day hearings. A bench of Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Vijay Bishnoi directed the trial court to first examine 60 key witnesses on priority. The court said the trial was moving slowly but observed that Darshan was not entitled to bail at this stage. The apex court, however, said the actor must be provided all facilities available to under-trial prisoners under jail rules. It also directed prison authorities not to keep him in solitary confinement. The court clarified that Darshan could file a fresh bail plea later if there was no substantial progress in the trial. During the hearing, the prosecution informed the court that 10 witnesses had been examined so far. The state said around 60 witnesses were crucial to establish the role of the accused, while nearly 150 out of the total 272 witnesses may eventually be examined. The prosecution also pointed out that the trial was getting delayed because 17 accused were represented by 7 different lawyers and lengthy cross-examinations were taking place. Darshan had argued that he had spent nearly 1 year in jail after the Supreme Court cancelled his earlier bail in August 2025. His counsel said prolonged incarceration was affecting his career and livelihood. The 48-year-old actor was arrested on June 11, 2024 in connection with the murder of a 33-year-old Renukaswamy from Chitradurga. According to police, Renukaswamy had allegedly sent obscene messages to Darshan's associate, Pavitra Gowda, following which the actor and others were accused in the murder case.